In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import emails in Google Workspace from a PST file, 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you have the Outlook desktop app installed, your PST file saved somewhere you can find it, and that your Google Workspace mailbox has enough storage and a stable internet connection. The process relies on Outlook syncing with Google's servers, so staying online is important. Begin by confirming that your Google Workspace account is already added in Outlook and fully synced. You should see your Google Workspace mailbox in the Outlook sidebar with your inbox and labels. If it isn't there, add the account first and wait until Outlook finishes the initial sync so nothing gets held up later. Open Outlook and go to the File menu in the top left. This takes you to the Backstage view where import and export options live. Choose Open and Export, which groups all data file tools in one place, and then select Open Outlook Data File. This option doesn't merge anything automatically, it simply mounts your PST so you can pick exactly what to move. Browse to your PST file, select it, and click Open. You'll now see the PST appear as its own folder tree in the sidebar, separate from your Google Workspace folders. You can expand it to view inbox, sent items, and any custom folders. Nothing has been copied yet. This just gives you access to the data. Decide what you want to bring over. You can drag individual emails, entire folders, or even a top-level folder if you want to preserve structure. Drag your selection from the PST into your Google Workspace mailbox. Drop it into Inbox if you want the messages there, or into a specific label folder to keep things organized. In Outlook, folders map to labels in Google Workspace, so your structure generally carries over. As soon as you drop the items, Outlook begins uploading them to Google's servers. You can watch progress on the status bar at the bottom of Outlook. Larger mailboxes and attachments will take longer. Keep Outlook open and your computer awake until the send/receive process completes. If you have a very large PST, consider moving in chunks to keep Outlook responsive. Also note that duplicates aren't removed automatically, so avoid dragging the same items twice. When the progress indicators settle, open Gmail or your Google Workspace mail on the web and spot check a few folders. You should see original dates, senders, recipients, and attachments preserved. That's it. Your PST mail is now imported into Google Workspace.